How to install the Power BI desktop client. Begin by going to the Microsoft Power BI download site at powerbi.microsoft.com/en-us/downloads/. You can also find the website linked in the description below. We're going to scroll down and click on the downloads icon. And then we're going to open the Microsoft Store. And then we're going to click on Install. Once it's installed, we're going to launch the application by clicking on Open. Select the Microsoft U Toronto account, and you will see that you are logged into the application. That's it, you successfully installed the Power BI desktop client and signed in.